Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone supports Esim and that it's unlocked. This matters because activation occurs over the network. Next, make sure you have your Geo mobile number and any KYC details ready, Aadhaar or registered documents, so the carrier can validate you. Once done, connect to reliable Wi-Fi and ensure the battery is above 30%. Interruptions will break the flow. Now open the phone's cellular or mobile data settings and choose Add eSIM to start the provisioning process. You'll continue by either scanning the QR code Geo sent via SMS or email, or entering the eSIM details manually. Both methods achieve the same provisioning. When scanning, point the camera steadily at the QR code and wait for the phone to recognize the profile. Make sure the code is clear and not cropped. If you enter details, carefully type the SMDP plus address, activation code, and any confirmation code exactly as provided. After the profile appears, tap Install and watch the phone import the carrier configuration. To complete activation, select the newly installed eSIM as your active line for calls and data, and set your preferred number if dual SIM is present. Once you enable it, restart the phone so the network registers the profile. Make sure APN is Geo or Auto configured by the carrier. If activation doesn't show signal within 10 minutes, retry scanning the QR code, remove and reinstall the eSIM profile, or reset network settings. If problems persist, contact Geo support with your IMEI and activation details for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.